Class 8. Now today we are discussing how do we multiply a monomial single term with maybe polynomial that can be a binomial, like in the first question they have given you binomials which have to be multiplied by monomials. Okay, and in question number 2 you might have a trinomial. So the same idea is carried. See, you have a trinomial here, a trinomial here. This is binomial with a monomial, trinomial with a monomial. So we'll practice these questions today, how a monomial can be multiplied with polynomial, maybe a binomial, trinomial, or even more. The working will be the same. You just need to distribute that monomial to each of the term of the other polynomial. Okay, so see, first part of question number 1, where the monomial was 4p to be multiplied by binomial was q plus r. So what have we got to do? We will distribute this monomial 4p, we'll give it to q as well as to r. Okay, so first this 4p multiplied by q, then this sign in between continues plus, and then that 4p also multiplied with r. Okay, so the first product 4p with q gives you 4pq, and with r it gives you 4pr. Okay, so that is all we have to do, because now it reduces to like multiplying two monomials which we have already practiced. Okay, same way for the second part of the question, it was ab was your monomial which was to be multiplied with binomial a minus b. So ab will be given to a as well as to minus of b. Okay, so this product comes out to be ab into a, that becomes a square b. A and A become A square B. We know how to multiply monomials, right? And here A is single and B into B will become B square. And obviously plus into minus, the sign will in between will be minus. Okay, so minus AB square. Okay, so not a difficult concept at all. Likewise, for the third one, your binomial was a plus b, and monomial to be distributed or multiplied is 7a square b square. So 7a square b square multiplied with a as well as with b. So when it is being multiplied with a, you're getting number as it is, then a square and 1a makes it a cube, and b square will be written next to it because it did not have any other b square. For the second part, 7 comes as it is, a square as it is, no other a was there, b square with another b here becomes b cube. So that becomes your answer, right? Likewise, for all of these, this was your monomial, 4a into a square will make it 4a cube. And then with minus sign it will become, first we'll multiply the signs, minus plus will make it minus, and then 4 into 9 36 and a. Okay, so it's your choice here. The stepwise working has been shown, and after practice, if you can skip this, you can do that mentally, this step, and straight away give the answer this way. You just need to understand what we are doing is we are multiplying this 4a with everything that is inside the other bracket, inside this polynomial. As many terms inside the polynomial, each of them will be multiplied with 4a. That's the idea. Okay, now for the fifth one, multiplied by 0, we don't need any working, children. We know anything at all multiplied by 0, straight away you can write the answer as 0. Now question number 2 is asking you to complete this table, and what we are doing in this table is we have to find the product. Clearly written, this is one of the expression, this is the other. You have to find the product multiplied. Okay, so monomial bracket, you'll write your whole second expression or the polynomial and then distribute it inside like we were doing earlier. So you may do your working separately and then you may fit in the table the answers. Okay, so first one, product of this expression with this. So this a will be given to b, so that becomes ab, then ac, and then ad. So that will be your product. Okay, and likewise first expression was x plus y minus 5. The second expression here is 5xy. Okay, so now if you're multiplying, this 5 of xy will be multiplied with x as well as with y and as well as with minus 5. Okay, so the answer would be, with x it will give you 5x square. One x was already there, one more from here, so 5x square y. Then with y it will become 5xy square, and with minus 5 it will become minus 5 into 5 becomes minus 25, and xy will be written next to it. Okay, so same idea beta. I think you can try all these questions on your own and complete the table. See, now this p distributed inside, this becomes 6p cube. Then with this it becomes minus 7p square. With this it becomes 5p. Okay, so that's up to you. If you don't want to show this step working out here, that is in your mind that we need to multiply each of the term with that p outside, and you can straight away give the answer also. Okay, now here also, now this will be distributed to p square. So 1 p square was already there. P square, 2 plus 2, total p to the power of 4 it becomes, and q square will be written next to it. Then this 4p square q square and another q square from here. So 2 plus 2, 4 q squares we have, and negative and positive makes this resultant negative here in between. Okay, then this ABC now distributed here. This becomes a square BC. This one distributed here, it would make it AB square C, then ABC square. Okay. Now in the third question, see children, you just have to know, you don't have just two but more than two also at times, like three terms being multiplied here, three monomials being multiplied here, two with some more complicated, maybe the coefficients are fractions, but it's all about concentration. And if your idea is clear, you know what has to be done. The same idea has to be carried forward for these questions as well. Okay, so we can easily do these as well. The first one here goes as, you have these three to be multiplied. So rule remains the same as I had told you. First multiply all the signs. All were positive, so resultant also positive. Then multiply the numerical coefficient. So you have 1 into 2 into 4. That becomes 8. And then you see if you have same variable, you add the powers. And if you have unlike variables, you write them next to each other. So in this particular one, so happens all are A's only. 8 to the power of 2, a to the power of 22, a to the power of 26. So all the powers will be added. So total how many? A to the power of how much we will have? 2 plus 22 plus 26. Okay. So that is, your product is coming out to be 8a to the power of 50. Then likewise in the next one, again concept remains the same. So plus into minus, resultant has to be negative. Then multiplying the numerical coefficients, 2 into 3 multiplied by 9 into 9 upon 10. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 9 upon 10. Whatever can be cancelled will be cancelled here. So 2 will cancel this 10 5 times. So denominator we have 5 because this 3 is cancelling 9 3 times. Okay. So ये cancelling आप show कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So in numerator you're getting 3 and this 2 has cancelled this 10. So in denominator you're left with 5 only. And then variables का वही होगा, same variables. You look for x. Do we have more x? Yes, we had x square. So 2 plus 1. Total we have x cubes. Likewise y here and a y square here. So total we had y. 1 plus 2 y cubes. Okay, so that is how you get your product. Now likewise, next one you can see the numbers minus 10 upon 3 and 6 upon 5 being multiplied. I would again ask you all, first take it as negative, positive becomes negative. Put the sign aside, then deal with the numbers. Much easier. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, right? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 2 into 2, 4 is remaining in the numerator, denominator is becoming 1 1 each. So the numerical value is coming only as, coefficient rather is coming as 4. And then you see you had a p here and a p cube here. So total 3 plus 1. We have 4 to the p to the power of 4. Then you had q to the power of 3 and plus 1 from here. So that also becomes q to the power of 4. That's your product. The last one, all were x, 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 x. 4 monomials being multiplied. Rule remains the same. There was no sign, all positive, answer will be positive. Then no numerical constant was there. So we simply need to focus on the variable. All variables are same. So you will add the powers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So total now we have x to the powers of 10.